Welcome back to Kid TV!
Do you have to go? Do you have the wiggles?
Don't hold it in, let's go to the potty throne, you're not alone.
Here we are, the captain's chair.
First we get ready, step by step. Big kids learn and don't forget, getting ready. Sit right down and take a seat. This potty mission is super sweet. Wait and relax, take a breath or two. I am right here waiting with you.
I did it! I did it! I did it!
Wipe, 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 wipe till you are clean. Best big boy I've ever seen. Pull them up, wash, wash your hands. Scrub the bubbles, that's the plan.
You get a treasure star!
Potty hero, yes, that's you. No more diapers, woo-hoo-hoo.
See you next time! Building up the blocks, one by one. Our space adventure has just begun. Ta-da! Dudu, look! A super-duper launch pad for your first big step. You can do it, little astronaut. One tiny step at a time. Oopsie. Almost. That was a super start. Maybe Wobbly Whale can help. He knows all about taking wobbly steps. Come on, Dudu. Can you reach Wobbly Whale? He wants to play. Almost there. You're doing it. Go, Dudu, go. You did it, Dudu. You took your first steps. Hooray!
Little steps, one by one, walking is so much fun. Wobble, wobble, don't you fear. Wobble, 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 don't you fear. Your first big steps are here.
Yay, Dudu! You're a walking star.
Hi, friends. It's time for a yummy snack.
Cookie, cookie.
Cookies are sweet, but wait and see. Veggies are the best for you and me.
No, no, no. I don't want to eat. No veggies for me, I just want a treat.
Look at this broccoli, a little green tree. It makes you strong as strong can be.
Yes, yes, yes. I like it. Wow. Yummy, yummy.
Look at the carrot, an orange rocket ship. Take a little bite, hear it crunch and snip.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yummy, yummy carrots are a super trip. Here come the peas, bouncy green pearls, good for little boys.
Yes, yes, yes.
They pop and they play. Yummy, yummy peas make me shout hoo.
Wow! You ate them all, Dudu. Yes, yes, vegetables are good for you. They make you grow big and healthy.
Because you ate your healthy veggies, here is a healthy fruit cupcake treat.
Yay! Thank you, Juju.
Eat your veggies! Hello, friends! How do you feel today? Let's sing a song and learn the feelings way. When I am happy, 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 I smile so wide. I have a warm and fuzzy feeling deep inside.
Uh-oh.
When you are sad, 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 it's okay to cry. Let's take a breath and wipe that little eye. A little help from a friend makes the sad go away. Now we are happy, hooray, hurrah.
Oh no, when I am mad, 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 I want to stomp my feet. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale, exhale, breathing in and out. Oh no, Dudu, a winter sneeze? Let's go see Dr. Bear to put you at ease.
Don't be afraid, it's a happy day. The doctor helps thee out, you step on the scale, let's see you grow. You're getting bigger from head to toe. Listen to your heart, it goes thump, thump, thump. Like a happy little bunny with a jump, jumping wide. Like a lion's roar. Let's see the stars and a little bit more.
Check your ears and check your head. No more sniffles, no more bed. You were so brave, you didn't cry. Here is a sticker, bright as the sky.
The doctor is our friend. The checkup is over, and that is the end.
A healthy snack for a brave boy. See you next time. Stay healthy and brave. Dudu! Today is playground day. Are you ready to slide? Step, step, step. Here we go. Ooh, music. One, two, three, go. Whee! Again, again.
Let's touch the sky, Dudu. Swing high, swing low. Watch how fast the babies go. Up to the sky, fly, fly.
Look! A castle for King Dudu. Sharing is caring. Here you go, Dudu.
Thank you, Juju.
Crunchy and sweet. Pop, pop. What a great day, Dudu. See you next time for more magic. Dudu, it's time for bed. No, no, no. Play, play, play.
Brush your teeth, scrub-a-dub-doo.
No, no, no.
Yes, yes, it's true.
Bubbles.
Into the jungle tub, Explorer Dudu.
1, 2, buckle the shoe. Or the pajama button.
Shake the nose away, shake them out of your toes.
Once upon a time, even the sun went to sleep. Yes, Ed. That's my brave explorer.
Close your eyes, the stars are bright. Sleepy Dudu, nighty night.